Having a strong morning routine contributes hugely to having a house that basically cleans itself. And it's awesome whether you work inside of the house or outside of the house. Make sure you have your tea for this video. Happy cozy day, everyone. I am Robyn and I am a formerly messy gal, and I am here to tell you that there are some great easy ways to keep your house clean. Now, I make videos for people who are frustrated living in cluttered, messy homes so that they can actually get the skills and habits to create a calm, peaceful home that's tidy, that recharges them. So before FlyLady and minimalism, I really struggled to have a clean home. I have 3 kids and a lovely husband, and we have 3 cats now. We just got another one. It's a hard place to keep clean. So we started the FlyLady system and minimalism a few months ago, and we are having awesome results. So if you want a copy of what I do for the FlyLady system, click the link below and I'll send you a download for it. And you can also click, there will be a Trello board. And if you haven't used Trello before, it is awesome. And you can have a look at how I do my FlyLady system and just move stuff around to suit you. It is perfect. So I was stressed and I was frustrated with my house before. I felt like it was never going to be clean. But after starting the FlyLady system, it's funny because I actually even let my house cleaners go, which was kind of scary and a little bit emotional. I was sad. I had them for like 5 or 6 years, but I just didn't need them anymore. Our house is clean and these routines will help you. So my daily routine starts out with me getting up and making my bed right away. Now it may seem like a pain, but really you're just going to want to make your bed so whenever you walk by it, it's nice, it's clean and orderly. Then I throw on my workout clothes, get the kids ready for school, head to the basement, have a workout. I come upstairs and have a shower, and that is when I get dressed to shoes. But instead of wearing my sweet kicks inside all day, I will put on my treaded slippers and then get to work. The next thing I do is I do a quick swish and swipe in the bathroom, which is to wipe up around the sink and to give the toilet a little clean. Sometimes I don't do the master toilet. I'll do one of the kids' toilets or I'll do the main level toilet. Basically, you're just going to do that little bit every day so things stay clean. So the next thing I do is I turn on the dishwasher after breakfast. Now, this is a bit different than what the FlyLady suggests. She does the night before, which is how my parents did it and how my grandparents did it and how we used to do it. But you know what I discovered? I like doing it after breakfast because the house is basically always clean. If I go to work, nobody's making the house messy. If I'm home, I'm the only one making the dishes or anything. So basically, after dinner, we all load the dishwasher. The next morning, have breakfast, load the dishwasher, turn it on, and if you stay home and you're the one that does the dishwasher, you do it then. In my case, I have 3 kids and they all take turns doing the dishwasher, so it works out perfectly. They get home from school, empty it, throwing in the dishes from dinner, starts all over again. Mwah! And make sure you stay tuned because I have a video coming up on kids cleaning and you're not going to want to miss that, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. Now, if there's one thing that I hate, it would be laundry. But thanks to my routine, I certainly don't hate it nearly as much as I used to. Now, if you have little kids, you're definitely going to want to be throwing in a load of laundry every single day. In my house, my kids do their own laundry, but about every other day, I will throw in a load of laundry, wash it, and then the next day I'll fold it and put it away. Whether it's a day of washing our sheets, rags and cleaning things one day. So I just have that routine of basically doing some laundry every morning, which takes almost no time at all. And next are 2 things that will help your house stay clean and clutter-free, and they are awesome, they are huge, and they are fast. So the first one is a 2-minute hotspot clean. Now everybody has those spots where everybody drops their clutter and leaves stuff in piles, and they're all over my house, or they were, and I still get them from time to time. But what you do is you spend 2 minutes doing a hotspot cleanup. So set your phone timer for 2 minutes, and for 2 minutes only, clean that cluttered spot. And I'm telling you, if you haven't got it done that day, you will have it done in no time flat. and it will make you so much happier walking by those spots and not feeling that little bit of cortisol and stress coming up in your throat thinking, oh gosh. And the second thing is a 5-minute room rescue. Now, if you were given a call and somebody said, I'm going to be there in 5 minutes, what would you quickly get clean in your house? That is where you're going to go. Any room, the messiest room, maybe in my house often, it's the rec room downstairs where my son likes to hang out and play video games. If I spend 5 minutes, set the timer, get down there, pick up stuff, put it where it belongs, 5 minutes later, boom. I have a much cleaner room and a much cleaner home and space. So for the 5-minute room rescue, I'm in the kids' bathroom. The lighting's a little dim, but don't worry about it, and the fan is on. I'm pointing at the fan for the light, but anyway. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is do a quick tidy up, and that is my room rescue. It's the room that is the worst, that needs the most attention for 5 minutes. So I've set my timer on my watch, and I'm gonna tidy up. So I do make the kids pick up and hang up their stuff, but let's be honest, it's not always going to get done, and I don't want my house being messy waiting for those guys. So I'm gonna pick up these towels and pick up some underwear behind the door and continue with my swish and swipe in this room because I'm here, so I may as well. I'm gonna put away this hairbrush and this shaver for my teenager. I have spray bottles, and this one's weird, I don't like it. It comes out so strangely. But anyway, I have spray bottles and toilet cleaner and toilet brushes in all the bathrooms because I don't want to be running around, which I used to do. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick vacuum because I don't know how, but their floor is filthy. And then that should be 5 minutes. So that is an example of a 5-minute room rescue. You make it suit you. So the whole point of keeping your home tidy is so that you can actually enjoy being there. You're going to create these strong routines so that your house basically cleans itself so that you can actually relax when you're there. It's your sanctuary and you're not getting stressed out by being there. So check out my other FlyLady videos by clicking here, and for minimalism, click here. Have a great day. Drink more tea.